Got a e-commerce store. Let's go ahead and buy something. Here we'll go to products. And I'm gonna buy this, this black t-shirt. So right here, I'll click on add to cart. Next, I'll click on view cart. So here's the cart page, and you're gonna see for the shipping that we are charged a flat rate of $5 unless the user wants local pickup. Now, if I actually select something like, 3 shirts and click on updates, you are now gonna see the option for free shipping being applied because remember, we are spending more than $100. So I'll go ahead and select free shipping and then click on proceed to checkout. Next, I'll fill out my billing details. Okay, so I went ahead and filled out my billing details. Now over here under country, you're gonna see the customer only had the option for Canada and US because those are the only countries where we are shipping to. Now scrolling down, I'll go ahead and scroll down here a bit more. If you want to ship this product to a different address, maybe you guys have another girlfriend, you wanna ship something to a different address, something like that, you can go ahead and ship this product to a completely different address. But I don't wanna do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and uncheck that. Here you'll see that free shipping is applied. We have these California communist taxes that are applied to this product. And then here we have debit and credit cards. Now, if you are using Stripe and you are using live transaction, if you are using Stripe and you're using test mode, you're just gonna enter the credit card number 424242, just like this all the way across, okay? And then for expiration date and security code, you can enter in anything that you want. And go ahead and scroll down. Here, I'll go ahead and just save the card, I guess, right? And here, I'll click on place order. And just like that, we have now made a new order. Congratulations. So now you'll see that we have a new order. We have the total amounts, we have the order details, and then scrolling down, we have the billing address and also the shipping address. So congrats.